Bani TV. So subscribe here. Subscribe na share na like it. Na be kan Bani TV obusu ko no. And the topic you pese e kan ho asem no ene government must do things that will benefit Ghanaians. Because every people yanka say what my way mu ye nim say your president and I say government no better so ni nyina no. Nyema bi wo ho mo ya emwa yin Ghana for emwa ema mining fa to mapa fra nyema bi wo ho mbe ye na wotum se nyema wo ye omo ye we emwa ekwan bebre so no emwa na nyema no so omo ye no so nyina no and last it because omo di iscan mbe a the contract no ombe di iscan half no mo de kakra bi akoye contract nto mo koye contract na contract no and last the way yes last no nyema na omo ye ni nyina no engina ho enche omo ye ne echa na ase eye say o create job say the pay unemployment na abusu bebrebe ni nyina no ebe brass nim say unemployment no adukuru Ghana boys youth ni nyina nam a omunya adwumanye youth ni nyina nam a omunya adwumanye eno na makro no bo no aburo so e wo market ni kejeti ana we no all those big places no kono bo no ne anrobes ni nyina na aburo so no because of certain unemployment rate na e wo high no. Government must do something about it. They must create job, a good job that will help us, a good job that will Ghanaians will benefit. Government must encourage entrepreneurs and create environment for business. Government no yes or share nkrofo omu biebie ndwuma nkofo omu boa man ndwuma amafo nya ndwuma ye no so omu show omu kuna no omu create more environment for business ema ekuro ni mo so oba oma entrepreneurship no and I say nkofo omu investors eba country ni mu na omu create ndwuma omu biebie ndwuma se de be ya ye nya ndwuma ni nya ni bi youth no omu nya ndwuma na omu nam kuro ni mu basa no omu be nya ndwuma ni bi aye. Yes, the government also know or reduce importation of what of basic commodities because nyema na ye import to a back country way ni mu nyema kitten bia ye be ye no country way ni mu na ye import nti e man crofo no mo country ni mu na ye so nyema na ye so mo ye no mo ntumi nya because omo nim say so mo ya omo de foreign ones na ba be frem esi ye use made in Ghana goods. Yes, or you reduce those taxes now, or the tax microphone. Yes, our country anymore. Never amount for a manufacturer never be our country anymore. No one guys any market getting no more import to a back country anymore because a Ghana name fan to my pa infra. Yes, so reduce those CEOs no or more salary no. Yes, so reduce no because it's kind of much general. Edoso nipa ba ko salary to miss school nipa ba ko salary to miss hospital nipa ba ko salary to me share we abusua be 3 years 4 years only 1 month those CEOs no omo salary no salaries no so tesokra because more Ghana government must build hospitals to avoid ministers flying overseas to seek medical help. Yes, hospitals, good hospitals are boa my way no. Yes, so see good hospitals na all the good equipment gum so the beya more abai ministers ni MPs no mo go abrochire mo go overseas enko seek medical help. So say my way no no ye ni good medical centers intina da bia mo yare am fly kwa abrochire na makosa mo yare enu echi ya mo hwe se kenofori atei o yare ye no o fly no we to overseas what to go and seek medical help. Nti omo opa kire se omo ye Ghana anase ye de na ewo ekuro we mu no anase ewo eman we mu se mo ye niye ehye mu kana aka mo yare am beko hospitals ewo abrochire mo pa kire se mo ni trust ana mo ni trust ewo doctors omo Ghana mu anase den and I say more co because of infrastructure. I say more co because of say new good infrastructure and I say new good equipment to take care of those diseases now. I don't think I'm more why and I say more nye ewo my way mu na mo de mbetu kwan akọ abroche na akọ sam ho ya de just say yeah ye to aba ma mo kotena ho ne de and the yeah ye to me and try take it no and yes you won't ya nya den government must build good hospitals to European standard. Say the beya yes you be papa alcohol hospital. And yes, because of some was scanning to know mo yare pe na ma fly mo ko na mo atu na mo ko akwa ne akosa mo ya de wa bruchi ne ye ya to abama ma mo kotena ha won de ya ye tua tax ne de ye de mo fire. So there's time yes government or ye be fan. Our parliament chiefs no yes omo so no omo seki fund no mo develop omo kingdoms no mo develop omo areas no because some of our chiefs no esika ewo ekuro nimu anase ye wo sika ewo towns nimu ye be ombetumi e develop ekuro no but omo twen say aban no e na ba be develop saade no omo twen say aban no ba ba ye niema no ama no na se asase bebe na ye ton wo ekuro nimu ne nyina no si ye betumi dia ye development e wo ekuro nimu niema bi ho na say aban ne meye ya na say wo yo hene e wo ekuro nimu ana say wo na wo yo hene e wo na say wo na wudi ekuro no so no e ye se niema ne nyina no enye se bia sa asase no ekuro na japade ni nyina no eye wankasa wo de eye eman ni de ye so ye wo ekuro nimu no so no so eye de antisi ye to asase ni bia ebetumi de developing we ekuro ni betumi de aboa ekuro niema aban ne emeye no ye betumi aye because wo ba bia asase ne boy den wo ha ne boy den oh ye to be 1 billion nyina ne 1 million nyina ye to asase 1 million e wo Ghana na se wo to asase mako 10 ubenya 10 million road ben na ntumi nye wankasa wo area ni road ben na ntumi nye hospital ben na ntumi ensi nti se yankasa pe development e wo ye kunuma yankasa na ese ye boa ye chiefs no mo kunuma ese omo so boa because ni ma bi ho betumi aboa ama ekuru na akoso because asase no ekuru na japade ni nyina na omo tonton ni nyina no ye hia ade say oh okay ye ntwa asase we ni ento ne fa nye sa project we because ekuru no so eye ma ye nyina eye ma chief not so him not so eye ma no monitor and evaluate project taken by government ministers and MPs to avoid wastage of funds because sai nyema na ye ni nyina no say project no modema ministers ni MPs ni nyina no se omo anye we ya so omo monitor ni ye anhwe say nipa no o ye ni ye anase onye ni ye anase ogusu o ya say project ni nyina no so omo anya esike ni nyina na ye wosti ni nyina no ebe wosti kwa ena si ya anhwe mu say kwan na na say project ni ye dia hye minister na say MP ni nsem no so o ye na so wa ye ni ye dia da bia no ye besa be ye no foforo ntina se ye government betna so bia ye so ye kwan because the kwan before say government me free so no na tutu se cement o mo be ka say o mo de be ye kwan na MP and say minister bi wa pack cement ni nyina kogu ni fie no de ko si ni dan na e kwan no o ma ye start pit na de o mo ko ni nyina na tutu ko o mo ko ni nyina tutu because of say point of naga so mo award na nkasa no mpo no minister na say MP no wa di half is kan wa fa half na o take two bi na ye project no nti no mo ye ni nyina na tutu say yankasa no government no o mo hwe na say mu sa die we ye o ye a minister we na say MP we ye o ye ni ye ana say ecosystem ya because of say government no so enya sika ni bi di ewu ma na say ministry no so enya sika ni bi di nti no o mo ncheki bibia o mo ncheki hwe no ase nipa baako o te wo na o ye kwan na tutu o si dan na tutu o si school dan na eso tutu eno na ekoso ewo ye ma ewe no government must construct a proper or a standard road that fit international or European standard. You see, that will last for long. Government no, yes road na omo ye wo we my way mu ni nyina no. Yes omo ye road a ono aka say fit European standard. Road no omo ye ni nyina so hospital no omo si ni nyina say fit European standard. Say the bear your road no be last for long. And yes, road no more than atiti apansa and I say almost hospital in the China Fort Abano. And yes, some person ye BBA FT European standard said the buyer almost no Europe to take that thing. Road nina or making sure say obi on buy or the contract man nina or buy ye road no buy in good high quality. Say the buyer ain't too easy. Encourage farmers. Farmers no encourage you and resource them to produce more food. to reduce high cost of food or high price of food in Ghana. And yes, encourage you, you show Mukuna, near more money, more aye, we are doing him a baby, and I say food baby, a journey baby, said the bear, a journey born I tinny, oh, queen, cost of living I tin, our my way anymore, a back form, and the Benyan journey baby. And buy way because only I can't tell no money by you man only I can't no money by your family no into na obi ko shebe na so your family kito na so the bar or turn aboarding because only I can't no obre ansana why this a government no invest wo mu a invest in farming na amount for no mo be dru ni ema ni nyina no on betete so na yenso nya bi ato na ato no wo in good price. We must give financial assistance and loan to enable entrepreneurs to create more jobs. Government, ma nkofo loan, ma entrepreneurs no more loan, more financial assistance. So they be creating more jobs for us so that we can work. Na niema na muye we my way mu and country we ever find to my pay. Government must be honest and transparent. And must allow for poverty and accountability, especially in tenders and in procurement, to avoid inflating of prices. No, yes sir, or you honest. Now, oh, say the buyer, near man as a contract no more awarding na price no more increasing too much. Ninano, or boy, say the buyer price never go from. Because any man or you need and what my country no and find to my parents and what because and then some can go see school back is come up or a bit messy schools by 5. Some go see hospitals it's come by the to hospital no a bit to me then a bit to me then a bit messy by hospital by 5 inflating of prices. Government must help so that we can reduce inflating of what prices are more. Higher vanity, subscribe national like it, Ghana fan to my